Bringing people together to collaborate requires a few key ingredients. And I guess the fact that you're watching this video is that you've become one of those key ingredients. Now, the ingredient that I'm referring to is facilitation. Now, if you're going to be running your activities using Mural, you need to know that there's a couple of really key superpowers, like we refer to them, that is available to you as a facilitator. Now, these facilitation superpowers will help you customize your activities so you can put your own stamp on it. Make sure that you run your sessions, your activities in a more structured way so people don't get lost. And then, of course, most important of all is that it'll enable you to make sure that people can collaborate more effectively. So in the next couple of video clips, I'm going to deep dive all the facilitation features as available to you in Mural. Now, before I get into that, I also want to show you that I have a companion mural or canvas available that you can actually go and look at. And the link to that canvas is available to you. You can create it as a template in the caption below. Now, this template will have all the videos available, the full-length video, and then all the shorter clips. But then also here at the end of the canvas, I'm going to be adding additional resources around facilitation that you might find useful. So jump into the link below and copy a template into your workspace. Now, without further ado, let's get cracking.